Hi everyone. So today we are going to do a Dutch pour diptych. I'll call it a double Dutch. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I get my white down so we don't waste too much time. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I'm going to put these a little closer together because we're going to go across. And your white doesn't have to be perfect either. So you're going to be blowing. So I'm going to start with my Parage Posse paint. These are special custom blended colors that I have available for my group members. And our group is on Facebook, the Parage Posse. And I'm going to go ahead and use 3 of those colors today. So this is what I call our Galaxy Blue. It has some shimmer to it. And then I'm going to follow that with our Sleeping Beauty turquoise. And then our Parage Posse purple. And then some Deco Art 24 karat gold. I think I want some more of that Galaxy Blue in there. Such a pretty color. And they all shimmer so pretty. Okay, let's get our white around. And I always make sure I have enough white. I always mix too. There we go. Alright, I'm going to be turning my hair dryer on, so sorry for the noise. Okay, I'm going to give that a little torch. Oops, I turn it up. Okay, so now I'm going to blow it out. Here we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to do some touch-ups with my airbrush because I like a more wispy edge. That gold really held up. There's some there. Thought I had lost my turquoise. Okay, now I have to do something here because it looks too cut off. here. There's some. I always like to step back and look. Still need to do a little something here. And a little light here. That's it. I don't think I'm going to touch any more. I think I'm pretty happy with that. It's just so pretty. Get all these air bubbles out. I did put a little gack in my white so nothing will crack. Because sometimes when you're just adding water to your paint, it may crack if you're not using a good brand. So I'm going to just touch up these corners here and see if I can bring you down just a little bit closer. And that's about all the closer I'm going to be able to get. But it's pretty though. It'll be pretty on a wall hanging together. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you all on the next one. Check out all the links below for our group link and also for mixing paints, our Etsy shop, our Amazon for buying your paint pouring supplies. Everything is there that you need to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.